out from the Charles Mill Marina. What you see with me here today is a Qwest 818 RLS L model. So it's a really nice boat from Qwest. First thing I notice is how attractive and sporty this boat looks. We have the nice black paneling here with the bright blue metallic base on it. So it's a really sharp looking boat. As you get on the boat, you'll notice that those pillars follow it inside the boat and creates a very attractive interior on this boat. So next thing we'll look at is how real spacious this is. For a boat being only 18 foot long and 8 foot wide, there's really tons and tons of room to move. So really nice space here, and it does seat up to 9 people. So it can fit everyone aboard comfortably for a fun day on the lake. And if maybe you're someone who travels your boat, trailers it, and checks out all of Ohio's Great Lakes, this is a really strong option because you can get this boat anywhere easily trailered with just your pickup truck, your SUV, it'll get you around. So a couple of the features of the boat that I really like, you notice it's a dual captain seat layout, so we have, if it's just 2 of you going for the day, great way to be able to have a conversation with each other. These 4-stroke motors are so quiet and fuel efficient, you won't hear them run, they're not going to eat you up in gas, so you can have that conversation. We also do have a Clarion Bluetooth speaker system, so you'll have all the tunes you could want for the day, things like that. Finally, as you come to the back, if you've got swimmers in your group, we do have a boarding ladder here on the back that's stainless steel and telescoping, as well as a built-in fuel tank that'll get you anywhere you need to go. So with everything Charles Mill Marina sells, there comes a full mooring cover, an on-water lesson, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, and safety equipment. We also take care of the least fun part of boating, which is handling your titling and registration. We'll make sure you're all set up that way. So if you think this might be the boat for you, give us a call, 419-368-5951. Check us out on our website, www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll definitely love to set up a time with you and get you in here. We'll see you soon. Thanks.